Meaning of identifier.
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 Identifier. An identifier is a sequence of characters that are used to uniquely identify a variable, function, object, or any other entity in programming languages. Identifiers are used extensively in computer programming and play a critical role in the development and execution of software programs. Identifiers can consist of letters, digits, and underscores, but they must follow certain naming conventions depending on the programming language being used. In summary, an identifier is a unique name that is assigned to a programming element in order to distinguish it from other elements in the code.